Now, if you don't want to go through all that and rebuild that pump, I'm going to show you another option. Now, you've just watched us rebuild the pump head. In the event you don't want to go through all that work, another option is to just replace it with a complete pump head. New seals, new valves, unloader valve already adjusted, 3 bolts, and you're done. Part number is 1002.2627. Let's show you how we do it. We've got our pump head, seals are already installed, all new valves. We've got 3 new bolts and 3 spacer washers. Let's loosen up the Allen heads. Now your new head is going to come with 3 new stainless steel protective spacers that are in the position right here. These can be fairly difficult to get out. All they do is give you a separation between the oil seal behind here and the water seal to prevent water from getting into there if these seals fail. If these do not easily come out, simply leave them there, set these aside. Now we can install our new pump head. 3 new bolts. You can either try and rebuild this pump head, or you can buy a new pump head and install it in less than a minute. You've got choices. Have fun.